in time when giving up on having a normal relationship with your RAD child is acceptable? I asked because my adopted daughter recently falsely accused my stepson of touching her inappropriately. CPS, Child Protective Services, and the police did separate investigations and both independently decided not to pursue anything further. During the entire investigation, my RAD daughter was living with my ex. Now I'm lost with how to move forward, forgive and trust again with her, or if I should just throw my hands in the air and have my ex take her full time from here on out. She's 10 years old, by the way. Well, this has many answers to it. For one, I don't know what normal means when I say normal relationship. I will eliminate that word. This child is not trustworthy. So how is the mom going to protect her stepson? How is the dad going to be protected from a false allegation, the ex-husband, okay, or the ex? It doesn't say that he's a male, but how's the ex going to be protected from a false allegation? So we have to look at how to keep the whole family safe, even though the entire family unit is now separate. So it's a multiple complex issue. And first of all, I would want the 10-year-old to be in therapy to address the root of the allegation. What's the cause here that's bringing that about? So that's where I would go first with that. But I just remember, this is not a trustworthy child. If a child's making false allegations, that's not a trustworthy child. So Roxanne has thoughts on her brain. I can see ready to come out. Take it, Roxanne.
Well, and I think there's some red flags here for the father for this child. She's already made an allegation against the stepson, and now she's living with the father. And there needs to be some measures taken to keep him safe from those allegations. So this is a real problem when you have kids that will make these kinds of allegations. So I would be working with a therapist and the caseworker on some kind of a safety plan for any of the males, that they would not be alone with this child.
That includes in the educational setting.
Exactly. Or at church, or anywhere else that this child may be engaged.
I have one more thought about that, and I may come back to it because it's not here right now. There will be a target. This child will find a target. That was my thought. You know, if it's not either parent, if it's not the siblings, the child, unless the root of the issue is addressed, it won't stop. The child will continue to look for a target to make an allegation against. So again, be really careful to not allow the child to be alone with a male, no matter what age the male, in any setting.
Yeah, because she has a history reporting on males. It does happen that children will make allegations against the same sex as well, but it seems that this girl is more targeting males, which probably has a whole lot to do with her past history.
The root of the problem.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, moving along.